Good afternoon, guys. This is Jockey, the Holden guy. Just gonna have a little look-see around the car. You've probably seen what it looks like in the other videos, but here she is. Not in good condition, but she drives well. It's just the panels that are a bit dented in. A bit of faded paint. It's like always. There's nothing different. I'll just show you what the inside of it is. I've been pulling apart the whole inside just to clean her up and make her look good again. Had to rip up the carpet, all the seats, everything. The carpet needs to be removed, cleaned up. The reason why is because of this. You can't really see inside it, but see how it's missing that bit to screw in your seat? It's meant to look like that, but it's not. So I've just pretty much ripped everything out. I'm gonna get a new head unit. Yes, T5 5-speed manual gearbox. Gotta love the steering wheel. Pretty low cage, to be honest, for its age. Gonna start her up for you. Just connect the battery. Alrighty, here we are. The engine's in good condition too, no oil leaks. My stepdad had a look around it and his mechanic, he's like, yeah, it's in good condition, so I'm happy with that. Only bad thing about it, if I can get under there, is the harmonic balancer. It's missing the rubber. I'm not sure if you can see, I can't see the screen, but yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, got a decent battery here. I'll hook it up for you guys and start her up and give her some revs. Show you what she sounds like with the 2.5-inch exhaust system. Alrighty guys, that's that. Let's start her up. See she goes. What do you know? See? She starts straight away, guys. Nothing wrong with her. Alrighty. I'm just gonna set her down and show you what she sounds like. Sorry about that, guys, just had to disconnect the battery. But yeah, this is my car. Just please, if you like the video, just like and subscribe. Thank you guys, appreciate that.